Hey, Insta lovers! Welcome to AI Expert Reviews. Ever seen a post you just have to share to your story? Well, I've got you covered. In the next 90 seconds, I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone and scroll through your feed or search for the post you want to share. Whether it's a cool pic, a funny meme, or something inspiring, find it. Under the post, you'll spot that little paper airplane icon. Tap on it and a bunch of options will pop up. Now look for the option that says Add Post to your story and hit that. Just like magic, the post will appear as a sticker on your story. You can drag it around, resize it, or even add some fun text or emojis if you're feeling extra creative. When you're happy with how it looks, hit your story at the bottom and bam, it's live. Your followers can now enjoy that post right from your story. But hey, here's a cool extra tip. If you're browsing someone's profile and find a post you want to share, you can do the same thing. Just go to their profile, tap the paper airplane icon below the post, and choose Add to your story from there too. Super easy, right? Now before you go sharing, a couple of things to keep in mind. Privacy settings. You don't see the Add Post to your story option. It's likely the user turned off resharing, or their profile is private. Visibility. When you share a post to your story, everyone who sees it can tap on the original post and check out the account that posted it, so keep that in mind. Reposting stories. Want to share an Instagram story you weren't tagged in? You can screenshot it or use a third-party app, but only if the account is public. So there you have it. Easy peasy, right? Now go ahead and share some cool content with your followers. And if you want more Instagram tips, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to AI Expert Reviews. See you in the next one.